This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare care of Gongon vs Garten of Banban full comparison. Follow this step-by-step guide to assess feeding, habitat, and safety differences for both games. I will highlight core mechanics, show practical examples, and flag common mistakes to avoid. Listen for quick commands, tidy lists, and direct comparisons to help you adapt fast. By the end, you should know which care style fits your play and why it matters. Let's talk feeding and resources in a friendly tone to keep things clear. I will explain how food or repair items behave, compare cooldowns, and show timing tips you can use immediately. Expect examples of when to save items and when to use them aggressively, plus a note on crafting impact and long-term resource planning. These tips help prevent panic and keep your runs consistent and smooth. If you are enjoying this guide, please take a moment to subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite and enjoy a cozy break between tense runs, a lighthearted companion to horror gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Then now let's get back to the video. Now we focus on hazards and recovery with clear, calm guidance for in-game decision-making. I will cover enemy damage types, environmental threats, and proven recovery tactics that reduce downtime. You will hear when to flee, when to bait enemies, and how to use terrain for advantage, plus how recovery timing affects your resource choices. These practical steps should help you survive tougher segments more reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.